So have you ever felt like life is moving too fast? Like you are constantly chasing deadlines, juggling responsibilities, or feeling overwhelmed by the noise of the world. This is why retreats are so important. Taking time to step away from your daily routine isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. A retreat offers the space to pause, to reset, to reconnect with yourself. And among many types of retreat, all retreats are good, by the way, but I find Kundalini Yoga retreat that offer the transformative experience. Why Kundalini Yoga? Kundalini Yoga is known as the yoga of awareness. It's a powerful blend of dynamic movement, breath work, mantra, and deep meditation. Other yoga may focus more on flexibility or fitness. Kundalini dives straight into your energy system, unlocking the blocks, raising your consciousness, and reconnecting you with your authentic self. At Kundalini retreats, you are often immersed in a safe and sacred space where you can release built-up stress and emotions tension, rewrite your nervous system through breath work and meditation, gain clarity on your life path and purpose, tap into deeper states of intuitions and inner guidance. Oftentimes you also experience real community and share feelings and healings. Perhaps most importantly, you remember what it's like to be present with no distraction, no to-do list, just you, your breath, and the quiet whisper to your soul. So if you're feeling a call, even just a gentle nudge, go ahead, step away, reconnect, and trust it. Oftentimes, these kind of retreat isn't an escape from life, but it's a return to oneself. And when you come back, you bring a clearer, calmer, more reconnected version of you to everything that you do. So take the time and enjoy the journey. And this is one of our last dinner with Guru Jagat. And we were able to catch the last beautiful, not the last, but it was the last with her, beautiful sunset on Mallorca, beautiful island of Spain. Satnam and Waheguru.